Home Remedies presents
Skin Miracles, an easy DIY to solve your dark circles problem. In today's generation, dark circle is one common problem. It can be caused due to cosmetic allergies, dehydration, any medical issues, continuous or more usage of TV, laptop, and rubbing around the eye areas causes discoloration. To get rid of it, this simple remedy helps. Ingredients: haritaki powder 1 teaspoon, aloe vera gel half teaspoon, almond oil 2 drops. Directions: mix all the ingredients in the mentioned quantity in a small bowl and make a smooth paste. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Slowly massage it around your eyes in a circular motion. Allow it to dry for 15 minutes and wash off with cool water. Apply some moisturizer to keep the skin underneath the eyes supple. Use this pack thrice a week to completely get rid of dark circles. Haritaki reduces oxidative damage and pigmentation and is extremely beneficial for treating dark circles.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.